Yes, teacher Navasa as usual, and today we are in the year of 2014, and we are going to look at this interesting question. Get ready for it. Study the diagram of an electric circuit below and use it to answer the questions that follow. So this is the circuit. You can look at this one. We can first identify. You can realize these ones are batteries. This is a battery. This is a battery. Others call it a dry cell. This one is a switch. This one is a switch. How do I know this? Because electrical parts or electrical appliances, all these parts of the electric circuit have symbols. Now, if I see this symbol, I know this is a symbol for a bulb. But I think even if Elana said lamp, will be okay. Then this one is a symbol for the fuse. Now we can go into the book. Let me first show you here practically. Now, so this is an electric circuit. Only that this one is a simple electric circuit, and I should have added a fuse here. But I don't have a fuse. However, this is a dry cell, which is this one, which is the battery. I have a switch here, and this is my switch. Now I don't have the fuse, but this is the bulb, this one, and this is my bulb. Now, it is already connected from battery to the switch, from switch to the bulb, from the bulb, the dry cells. So when I switch like this, you can easily see that is actually producing light. Now, we can go direct to the questions. Name the parts marked K and N. K, we have already said the K, we know it. K is a what? K is a bulb, or what we can call a lamp. And what is N? This symbol is a symbol for a what? Is a symbol for the fuse. State the energy change that takes place at L. Where is L? This is L, at the dry cell. When M, what is M? M is the switch, is closed. In other words, they are trying to say, when you complete the circuit like here, when I complete this circuit with what happens here? Remember, this dry cell, actually, this one, it stores chemical energy. It stores chemical energy. So when you complete the circuit by closing the switch, what happens is that chemical energy, which is stored, chemical energy, which is stored in the dry cell or in the battery, is converted to electrical energy. And you know, once electrical energy is formed, we have current. So current will flow along the wires until it reaches part K, which we have called as a bulb. Now, the bulb, or what we call the lamp, it has the capacity to convert electrical energy to what? Now I know when you switch on, what happens? It turns it into light energy. But remember, I don't know if any of you have ever touched a bulb that has been lighting for a long time or for many hours. It is also what? It is also hot. So another energy that is converted here, converted from electrical energy by the bulb, is heat energy. Then we come to part C, give any one form of energy produced at K when M is closed. We already have the answer. So once you close here M, it means you have closed the switch, you have completed the circuit, and if there is no a lot of electricity that will make the fuse to blow or to melt down so that it can break the circuit, the bulb will start lighting. And when it lights, it will have produced light energy. What other energy can be produced there? It is heat energy. Heat energy. All these ones are studied in primary 7 under the topic of electricity and magnetism. If we have any issue, any question, any number that is disturbing you, hit it in the comment section. You can even send it to our WhatsApp number, River for International, at 05553 493 on our WhatsApp. We will be able to do your number. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.